Before we show you an assortment of photo samples so you can judge for yourself how good the Mate 10 Lite snaps are, let's talk about the handset's camera app. First, starting it. This is a mixed bag, to put it nicely. If you cold start it from the app drawer or home screen, meaning you haven't used it in a while so it wasn't already loaded in memory, the process can unfortunately take anywhere between 5 and 30 seconds in our experience, probably depending on what else you were doing beforehand. And sometimes it only shows a black screen even a minute in. We didn't wait past that point to see what would happen, instead opting to close it and then reopen, at which point you'll once again encounter that 5 to 30 second wait. On the other hand, you can use the shortcut of double tapping the volume down key to start the app when the screen is off. By default, this will also capture an image once the camera app has loaded, without you needing to do anything else. When started like this, the camera app loaded in under 2 seconds around 90% of the time, while the maximum amount it took to open and capture a shot was 12 seconds. Anyway, if you're the type to want to very quickly capture a moment, you should probably try to always use that shortcut. Otherwise you may find you miss a lot of shots while you're waiting around for the camera app to be ready. The good news is that if you've recently used the app it will come up quicker when you go back to it, almost instantly sometimes. In terms of resolution options for the main dual camera array, there's interestingly no 16:9 setting. You can go with the 4:3 aspect ratio, at either 16MP or 8MP, and live with huge black bars on the sides when viewing your images on the phone's screen, 18:9, 11MP or 5MP, or a square 12MP format. The future may or may not bring 18:9 to all the things, but right now TVs are still 16:9, so viewing pictures shot with the Mate 10 Lite on one will always result in black bars being shown somewhere.